front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner. And to add an audio file, select Audio. Tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Then click on your file. To add a video and do exactly the same, just tap on Video section instead of Audio one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!